Welcome to Debunking Real Estate Myths. This month, we've been exploring the truth about open houses and their role in the selling process. Open houses are a time honored tradition in real estate, known for attracting potential buyers and creating buzz. But like any strategy, they have their upsides and downsides. Considering these can help you make an informed decision about whether to host one for your property. Today, we're examining the pros and cons of hosting an open house. While open houses are a popular tool in the seller's arsenal, they come with their own set of advantages and challenges. Let's dive into what hosting an open house really entails and help you decide if it's the right move for your home. Let's start with the pros. One of the biggest advantages of an open house is the potential for increasing foot traffic. By opening your doors to a broad audience, you can attract more prospective buyers than individual showings might. This is especially true in hot markets or for properties with unique appeal. Open houses also provide the opportunity for direct feedback. Sellers and agents can gauge reactions, collect comments, and observe what buyers are drawn to or put off by. This insight can be invaluable for adjusting your selling strategy or making quick improvements. Additionally, open houses can simplify scheduling by condensing many showings into a single event. This can be more convenient for sellers, minimizing the disruption of having to vacate the home for individual showings over an extended period of time. Believing open houses are all positive is a myth. The truth is that there are some cons to consider. Security concerns are a notable drawback. Opening your home to strangers means you need to safeguard valuables and personal information. It's important to take precautions and sometimes hire additional security. Hosting an open house can also be inconvenient. Preparing the home requires some effort, from deep cleaning and staging, and maintaining that state can be stressful for sellers that are still living in the home. Another downside is the potential for attracting non serious buyers. Open houses can draw in curious neighbors or people who are just browsing with no intent to buy. This can dilute the quality of your visitor pool and might not lead to serious offers. In conclusion, hosting an open house can offer significant benefits, from increased exposure to valuable feedback. However, it's crucial to weigh these against the potential downsides, like security risks, inconvenience, and the quality of visitors. Consult with your real estate agent to determine if an open house aligns with your selling strategy and how to mitigate any potential drawbacks. Thank you for joining us as we navigate the pros and cons of open houses and debunking real estate myths. Whether you choose to host an open house or opt for private showings, being informed is key. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your open house experiences or questions. Here's to a successful and informed selling journey.